Right, C3 Picasso, washers don't work, ignition on, no buzzing but the wipers go. Right, it's going to be the fuse, let's go and have a look. Right, pop bonnet, fuse boxes under it. Number 10, this one down here. Little pliers. Where are you? Blow. Stick a new one in. Alright, let's go try it. There we go. Right, 9 times out of 10, fuse normally blows because there's too much resistance in the pump, so go and change that. I'm going to change the pump on this now, but I won't do a video because I can't be asked, to be honest, but I'll do another video later on. Alright, like and subscribe and all that bollocks. Right, peace!